Today is December 26 and we are going to a parade. May parade kami ngayon. So ngayon kami ay pupunta na sa aming parade. Kasi last day ng sports. Pag last day ng sports, meaning parade day. Iba talaga dito. Baliktad. Yung parade nila, yung opening parade nila, nasa last day. Diba? So, green pa rin tayo kasi tayo ay team green. Hanggang Friday tayo mag-green ngayon. So, ayan. Makisabay lang ako no kasi wala pala akong motor. December 26 and this is what we're going to do. Enjoy and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below and tell me what's your thought about this video. Are you hiding? Why are they hiding? Hi. Suway mak. I like this one. Why do you have like that and we only have like this?
Teacher Watt? Have you seen Teacher Watt?
No, I don't see him yet.
He dressed up with a big white dress.
Wow.
And have horns as well.
OMG.
So fancy.
But I love this.
Yeah.
You look different. Hi.
ยิ่งใหญ่ตระการตานะคะสำหรับขบวนพาเหรดแต่ละสีนะคะ
How do you feel right now?
นะคะก็ได้รับความร่วมมือจาก
Very
มหา
hot.
วิทยาลัยราชภัฏอุบลราชธานีค่ะ
Good thing you're not wearing high heels.
ตัวแทนสีที่จะเชิญธงชาติธงสี
Guys, it is very hot and they're still having a program here in the school. And I don't know when this will be over. So I'm waiting for the parade to finish. Pauwi na kami. Nabilad ng ilang oras sa sa init. Mga ilang oras.
Naghintay, mga siguro 3 hours.
Oo nga, gabi.
Pero
Wala, buti na lang ito siya, naka-jacket. Ako wala.
Oo. Pero okay lang, we're still pretty.
Pauwi na kami. Ang aga namin, Piskapo lang kami.
Oo.
Huwag kami ingay.
Secret natin yan.
Opo. After ng parade, after sa mainit, nandito kami sa mall. Magbibili kami ng pangregalo namin ngayong Friday. Kasi ngayong Friday ay exchange gift ng mga bata. Tsaka kasali daw kami sa maghahanap kami ngayon. Hahanap kami ng regalo. Nandito kami pala sa Moshi Moshi. Gusto ko din yun. Ay, ayoko nito. Parang beanbag. Beanbag. Donut.
Adam can. You want donut?
Christmas donuts.